Okay, hello everyone. My name is Rene Liaw. I'm a lifestyle director with Opulence, and today I'll be going over the importance of Smart Buy and how to set it up in your back office. So again, as per the presentation, you would have seen this slide here called Monthly Smart Buy, and basically it's just a way for your customers or for yourself as a partner to set up your monthly order of what you want to get again on a monthly basis. One of the biggest benefits of setting up your Smart Buy is that when you purchase $150 a month for 3 months and ongoing, meaning continually, even after the 3 months, you will unlock an extra 10% discount on top of your current discount. So again, lifestyle advisors have a 30% discount, promoters have a 25% discount, and of course, the retailers have a 20% discount. So by doing this, you're getting an extra 10% on top of these discounts here, right? And so, so after your third payment, so when the company sees that you've paid $150 in product purchase for 3 months, on the fourth month, you then unlock the extra 10% discount, okay? So now really quickly, there's a concept called subscription, which is almost in the same as Smart Buy, but kind of a different meaning. So subscription, what I'm talking about just refers to the payment you should be making to qualify for your commissions. So if someone is not caring about earning their, for example, team commissions and all these extra bonuses and that kind of stuff too, then subscription doesn't really matter. But for someone who is looking at, of course, earning all the extra income streams that come attached with the lifestyle advisor, lifestyle promoter, then of course your subscription, which is this column here, then does matter. So typically with a lifestyle advisor, when you enroll as an advisor, you would have seen as a second option after selecting lifestyle advisor, the second option is your subscription. So by default, it's $150 Canadian for advisors, $75 for promoters, and $35 for retailers, okay? Now, the reason why it's almost in the same is because if you set up your monthly Smart Buy to be $150 or higher, then essentially you're also meeting the criteria of the subscription of $150 as well. Or if you are a lifestyle promoter and you arrange your Smart Buy to be $75 or higher, then again, you would have met this criteria of being $75 for the lifestyle promoter, okay? So, of course, $35 is to keep the volume that's happening in your organization, and the minimum to keep all the volume, regardless of which package you are, is going to be $35. But today's training video is more on how to set up your Smart Buy. So typically when you enroll, these options get automatically selected for you, okay? Now we're gonna go into understanding, again, how does the Smart Buy setup work? So under shopping, you're gonna click on Smart Buy, okay? We're gonna click there. I have a good, like a sort of a test account to show you guys here. You can see here, there's different options for what you can order on a monthly basis. We have some preset options like Fountain of Life and One Night Cream. We have 2 bottles, we even have 6 bottles. Now, in some cases, if you're not even sure what you want yet, I definitely highly advise, of course, Fountain of Life, because it's such an amazing product, and the toothpaste as well too, and even the shampoo and the flawless as well. But if you're not sure with what you want, you can even select shopping credits. So if you're not sure what you want, you can still pay $150 and buy basically shopping credits that you can then use to redeem for products in the future. You can redeem for anything that you want. So in fact, in some countries, they actually like to set the Smart Buy at $150 because that way they can let the $150 kind of build up. Next month, another $150 becomes $300. The month after, you have $450. And then you kind of can have enough to buy a family pack, which is, and a family pack is 12 bottles of Fountain of Life, but when you buy 12, you get 1 free. So again, it's just really flexible. And one of the key differences in Opulence compared to other companies in that you're not necessarily forced to have to order actual products on a monthly basis. You can buy a shopping credit, which still counts in the system as a purchase, but then again, you can redeem those shopping credits for anything that you want in the future. Okay, so for example, I might go ahead and just choose $150 all right? And that's gonna line me up with the subscription, which is defaulted as well to 150. Now, one question that I get is, well, Rene, what if I don't set up my smart buy? Well, don't worry, because your default backup subscription was already set. So when you enrolled, when you signed up basically to launch your Opulence shop, if you chose Lifestyle Advisor, it would have automatically selected $150. Now, if you change that to none, then and you don't choose your smart buy, then you really have no monthlies going on, and you won't get the bonus 10% discount because you're not paying 150. But if you forgot to set up your smart buy, but you want to get that extra discount, don't worry, because by default, the 150 is selected when you choose the Lifestyle Advisor when you first launch your shop. So here we have it. Now, again, you can even deselect this, and you can even do a combination of shopping credits and other products. You might want to add more shopping credits than 150. Again, you can change the quantity to have more than 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 as well too. I can see here, there's the address here. And I had an example of Amarjeet here in Singapore. And so you would choose your default shipping option. You can see here, the order process date is the next time that this smart buy will be processed, okay? And again, how you wanna pay. Typically we use a credit card that's already on file. I don't want to talk about options 7 and 8 because it becomes, of course, very important to understand your options when setting up your smart buy. Now, let me talk about option 8 first, okay? Option 8 means that to adjust my smart buy with shopping credits if needed to meet my monthly PV qualification. So if you don't choose this and your monthly smart buy was $150 per month, right? Then you pay $150, $150, $150. Now you've activated the extra 10% discount. On month 4, your smart buy was set to $150, but you got the extra 10% discount. So instead of charging you $150, guess what? You had a 10% discount and it only charged you $135. So now on month 4, you didn't pay $150, you paid $135, and that just broke your smart buy discount of the extra 10% because again, the smart buy requires you pay consecutively 3 months of 150 back to back to back to get the next month's 10% discount. If you only paid 135, then of course you've broken that 150 streak. So what this option does, option 8, is, and I always have this selected, is that in case you got that extra 10% discount and you didn't pay 150 that month, this will actually top you up by buying the difference in shopping credits. So if really what happened was I was paying 135 supposedly on month 4, this option 8 will recognize, okay, I want to meet my monthly PV qualification, which is 150 as a lifestyle advisor. It will automatically charge an extra $15 in shopping credits. Again, it's my money I can use in the future to buy more products. And now I've kept the 150. So this way, what this option basically does is it keeps your monthly 150 going month after month after month after month after month. So I personally always have option 8 selected, and I would definitely suggest the same for you as well too. Now, option 7 is also an interesting option that I personally like to always set as well too. What happens here is that we have a program in the company where, let's say in the month of June, because it's June 4th right now, oh sorry, June 8th, I were to have already bought my 150, and sometime in the end of this month, between tomorrow and end of the month, I actually bought another $150 worth of products. Maybe I sold something, or maybe someone bought something from my website and it was worth 150 PV, or I bought products worth 150 PV, then it actually doesn't charge you your next month's monthly 150. Because in our company, we have a system where if you actually were to buy or sell enough products after your current 150 payment, you don't have to pay the next month. So So in this case here, option 7, if not selected, so if you don't select it, then the scenario I just told you will occur, which means that today is June 8th and I paid the 150 PV. Between today and end of the month, I would buy or sell, or someone bought as a VIP on my website more than 150. It doesn't charge me for next month, so I can save that extra bit of money. However, again, that doesn't always help, because again, if I don't get charged for next month's order, then the system doesn't recognize that, again, I had paid 150. Does that make sense? So even though option 8 was selected because I qualified for that next month's qualification, however, in the next month, I'm not paying 150 because of this cool program. And now again, it's going to break my streak of the smart buy. So it kind of really depends on the date of your smart buy. But to be safe, for me, regardless of what I buy and sell above my own 150 PV, by selecting this option, what happens is it will always process my smart buy. My smart buy so far, again, as we look above, we chose 150. So my smart buy is 150 shopping credits. So regardless, after today, if I were to buy and sell more, have customers buy on my website, doesn't matter, this system will still charge me the 150 next month. So this kind of guarantees me that I will always get my 10% discount, because again, I had paid the monthly 150. So again, the key thing is that you are personally yourself buying for the Smart Buy discount $150. If someone were to go into my website and buy $400 worth of products, that's actually more than 150 PV. But again, because I didn't actually buy it myself, it would break my Smart Buy streak. So to be safe, what I like to teach my team is to always have option 7 and 8 selected, unless of course, if you don't select option 7, you just have to ensure that every month you do spend $150 towards buying some kind of product, okay? Whether it's shopping credits or it's actual products, okay? But I guess for me, I just think it's easier to have option 7 and 8 selected, and then you will basically hit finalize my smart buy, and then you're done. So once you hit finalize, then you will see the summary of what you said. And so it's basically a summary of you choosing 150 and you chose option 7 and 8 and how you're going to pay for shipping, all right? So that is basically how you can set up your smart buy going forward. Now, one other thing that I wanted to mention as well too, that is very, very important, is when you actually first enrolled, there's one possible scenario where you might have, it's very, very unlikely, but you might see a double payment, but it's not really a double payment. And how this happens is, let's say you were a lifestyle promoter. So again, if you just started as a lifestyle advisor, this does not apply to you, but you might want to listen to it because it might happen to you or someone that you know in the future. Let's say you are a lifestyle promoter, and as a promoter, your monthly contribution is $75, right? Okay. Now, that is your subscription, all right? Now, what happens though is, let's say you, at the time of enrollment, you also set your smart buy to $75. So we're good. Your smart buy and your subscription are one and the same. So you're all good to go. In some cases, some people then upgrade their lifestyle promoter to a lifestyle advisor. So now your $75 became $150. Your subscription, not your smart buy. When you upgrade it by default, your subscription should be $150, correct? All right. So now what happens with these two options is, if you didn't choose option 8, again, because your monthly PV requirement is $150, but your smart buy setting, you know, if you were, again, the promoter in the beginning, you would have set $75 to begin, right? So But so again, you set $75 smart buy, but your subscription PV qualification should have been $150. If you did not choose this option, it will not charge you the difference to get you up to $150. Also, if you did choose this option, what's going to happen is, again, process my smart buy even if I'm already PV qualified. So either or, because you're not PV qualified, your smart buy was only $75. The system, what it always looks at is your subscription. Did you pay for your subscription? It doesn't actually look at your smart buy, okay? So if the system thinks you should be at $150, but your smart buy is only at $75, guess what? It's going to charge you the $75 because that's what you set for your smart buy. And it's also going to charge you the $150 to make sure you are the subscription qualified, that you had your subscription and your commissions all covered. So that's when you might see an extra charge. So again, to avoid this issue, that's why you always select option 8, because it will top you up. So even though your subscription should be $150, your smart buy was $75, it will top you up to $150, and boom, you will not have any kind of two charges happening at the same time. Okay, so again, that is how you can adjust your smart buy. If you ever want to actually discontinue your smart buy, you want to send in a support ticket to the company, okay, to stop. If you want to lower it, that's fine. If you want to stop your smart buy, you want to send in a support ticket to the company, okay? And again, it's really key that because this way, this allows you to get the extra 10% discount on your entire future shop orders by maintaining your smart buy for $150 per month for 3 months and ongoing. One common question is, well, Rene, what if I stop my smart buy in month 5? Once you stop it, the counter resets again. You have to start again, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and then on month 4, you get that extra 10% discount. One last thing, almost forgot this one. Let's say you started in June the 8th today, and you got launched today. Well, they don't charge you your smart buy on your first month. They charge you your smart buy on the next month. So it would be July, August, September, that's 3 months. Then in October is when your 10% discount, additional discount activates. If you want to fast track by 1 month, after someone launches their shop, let's say that Lifestyle Advisor today is June 8th, right away before your next smart buy payment and in the same month, so it has to be the same month, right? You want to purchase another $150 worth of shopping credits. So say I started June 8th today, right after I signed up, as long as between June 8th and the end of the month, I purchase another $150 of products or shopping credits, then the system counts my first month as June. Then June, July, August, and my extra 10% discount starts in September instead of October, so 1 month ahead. So I'll give you an example. Let's say in June, how many days are there in June? There should be 30 days in June. If you enrolled on June 30th, you want to make sure then that on the same day, you purchase another $150 worth of products, because then that way your smart buy starts in June, right? So June, July, August. The way you can do that is you can go to shopping. So going back to your dashboard, you would click on shopping and shop now, and basically purchase another $150 worth of products. It could be Fountain of Life. It could even be shopping credits. So you can actually go and purchase another $150 worth of shopping credits and add that to your cart. I just choose the country. Add to your cart and check out. And now you've counted for the month of June. So that's all I want to cover today for the Smart Buy. What is Smart Buy, the benefits, and how to set it up, how to understand the Smart Buy and the subscription. If you have any questions, of course, please feel free to contact your My5 or even to contact me directly. Of course, you'll find my link and my phone number and email in this video below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cool videos like this. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye for now. I'm just going to start the video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.